Selling digital products or courses can be a great way to generate income online. Here are some steps to help you get started. Identify your expertise and target audience. Determine what knowledge or skills you possess that others may find valuable. Consider your strengths, experiences, and the interests of your target audience. This will help you create digital products or courses that cater to their needs. Choose the type of digital product or course. Depending on your expertise and audience preferences, you can create various types of digital products or courses. Some common options include ebooks, online courses, video tutorials, templates, guides, worksheets, audio files, or software tools. Select the format that aligns best with your content and audience. Plan and create your content. Outline the content you want to cover in your digital product or course. Organize the information logically and break it down into manageable modules or sections. Create the necessary text, visuals, audio, or video content to deliver your knowledge effectively. Ensure your content is valuable, well-structured, and easy to understand. Choose a platform for hosting and selling. There are several platforms available for hosting and selling digital products or courses. Some popular options include self-hosted platforms. You can set up your own website or blog using platforms like WordPress and use plugins or tools to handle payments, content delivery, and membership access. Online course platforms. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy offer comprehensive solutions for hosting and selling online courses. They provide features like course creation, payment processing, student management, and content delivery. Marketplaces. You can sell your digital products or courses on marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, for ebooks. These platforms provide a ready-made audience and built-in payment systems. Research and compare different platforms to find the one that suits your needs and budget. Set the pricing. Determine the price for your digital product or course. Consider factors such as the value of your content, the market demand, your competition, and the perceived quality of your offering. Test different price points and adjust as needed based on feedback and sales performance. Create a sales funnel. Develop a sales strategy to attract potential customers and convert them into buyers. This may include offering free content or lead magnets to capture email addresses, promoting your product through content marketing, social media, or paid advertising, and creating compelling sales pages or landing pages to showcase the benefits of your product or course. Market and promote your digital product or course. Utilize various marketing channels to reach your target audience and promote your offering. Leverage social media, email marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, guest blogging, or collaborations with influencers or affiliates. Engage with your audience, address their questions or concerns, and build trust by establishing yourself as an authority in your field. Provide excellent customer support. Offer prompt and helpful customer support to ensure a positive experience for your customers. Address any queries, provide clarifications, and assist them in navigating through your digital product or course. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your offering to others. Continuously improve and update your offering. Gather feedback from your customers and use it to improve the quality and value of your digital products or courses. Update your content periodically to ensure it remains relevant and up-to-date. Explore additional revenue streams. Consider complementing your digital products or courses with other income streams, such as offering coaching or consulting services, hosting live webinars or workshops, or creating premium membership tiers with exclusive content. Remember, success in selling digital products or courses requires consistent effort, quality content, and effective marketing. Be patient, listen to your audience, and continuously refine your offerings to meet their needs and exceed their expectations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. For more information, go ahead and hit that notification button. Thanks again for being a loyal fan of our channel TNA Media.